This tutorial is for students in Spanish 2010 and will cover creating the portfolio from a template and the página principal. First, navigate to the Canvas site where you're using Digication. From there, select Create Portfolio y Página Principal. From there, it will load the activity. So we will load the activity in a new window, which will bring us to the Digication interface. From here, the activity will already be selected. You have instructions here and also on your ePortfolio. The first step is to actually create the portfolio. Remember, this one portfolio is where you will archive your complete work all semester. So you only need one portfolio. Only create one portfolio all semester. From here, you select Add Work. It continues to load in the background, and when it's complete, the portfolio will automatically show. Okay, so we have our portfolio with instructions, right? This first slide is your instructions. It's only viewable to you when you're editing your work. When you submit the work, the instructions disappear, but they're a great guide to help see what you need to do. So this is reminding you that you're creating your home page. You're going to answer some questions in Espanol, right? And so there's some information here about making it customizable, so you can show how you want it to look, etc. So we always navigate under the instruction slide and we can select Add Content. Many of us will select the rich text box because we would like to add some rich text to talk about what we're doing here. And so from here, we can select our text and type, Hola, mi nombre, blah, blah, blah. So you have some text here, right? You can also make this box bigger. You can make it smaller. Think of this space as a digital canvas, right? Remember, there were some instructions about editing the settings. In this slide here on the right-hand side, we can select the gear to pull up the settings menu. From here, we can edit the text, or we can edit the color, the background color. I like blue. We can make it darker. We can make it lighter with the opacity here. And we can do all sorts of things. We can add images. We can change the colors of the individual boxes here. So there's tons of stuff you could do with editing. But when you're finished personalizing your portfolio, making it your own, and completing the introduction, you've completed both parts of this assignment, which was create the portfolio and then do the initial reflection. So you submit your work. And then it's going to ask us, where do we want to submit it? So this first activity. I highly recommend that you submit all your pages, but you may just want to submit just the página principal, where you select either the one page or all the pages and click Submit. You would like to share the submission with your peers, since commenting is an integral part of the virtual community within the use of ePortfolio. So submit your work, and it's going to populate here, and you'll get a green check when it is submitted. Okay, so our portfolio is submitted with the activity completed. So we can X out of here and go back into the activity to confirm that we did the activity correctly. So we can load our portfolio, the activities, we can see our submission here, or if there's other peer submissions, you'll be able to see that as well. We can click on it and we can see our work, right? So we submitted our work and the instruction slide is no longer there. So with this, you've successfully completed the first activity, which was to create the portfolio and complete the initial reflection.